Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I would. Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haylee and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. Hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a realistic clean with me, sharing the times when I'm having to put things certain places because my daughter's napping, and then when she wakes up, having to put it all away. Just sharing that sometimes I have to re-clean stuff as a mom, all of that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video, and if you're in need of cleaning motivation, I hope this video gives it to you. And if you're wanting to get something done, prop me up somewhere and let's clean along together, and I can keep you company. The first thing I was doing was taking a little piece of candy from Waverly's basket. We'd gone to Boo at the zoo the day before, where you just walk around the zoo and they have a bunch of booths and you can get candy. And then they have like some food and all of that. So that's what we were doing the day before, and where she's young enough, me and Trajan can take candy and eat it. So that's a perk of having a little one and Halloween. But then I'm just going ahead and just kind of cleaning the kitchen, wiping down the counters, and just taking things off. We had diapers everywhere. We had Trajan's hunting stuff. We had her Halloween costume, which was Princess Sophia, if I haven't shared yet. And she is so cute, all dressed up. We curled her hair, and it was just adorable. So I'm just gonna start out by just getting all of these counters cleaned. And Waverly was taking a nap also during this time, so anything that goes in her room, I just was kind of setting by the door. And if you watched my videos before, you know that's what I always end up doing.
Let's do something we'll regret. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret. Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on.
So you're gonna see my husband's spotting scope, sorry. And I've talked about before, it's hunting season right now. So right now he's just hunting all the time when he's not working, pretty much. And so he had his tripod hooked to his spotting scope still, and I was not about to try to take that off. That's a really expensive spotting scope, and I'm not about to break it. And he was about to go hunting the next morning. He was working this day while I was cleaning, so I went ahead and I just put it on the table, and I was like, it's not even worth putting it away because he's just gonna get it out this evening when he's getting stuff ready for hunting. So that's just a little bit more realistic cleaning for you, that my house isn't always perfectly clean. I do leave stuff out for a reason. Sometimes it just makes life easier just to leave some stuff out. So that's what I was going ahead and doing.
We found a different beat. Paradise is waiting, and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we golden, we run to the end, and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
you're anything like me, when you're cleaning it, you get sidetracked. So as you can see, I sprayed the counters, was going to, and then I noticed that the fridge was really dirty. So I was kind of wiping down where the water comes out, and then like the handles and everything. And that's just how it goes with me sometimes. I see something and then I have to go clean it. There was a reel that popped up a little bit ago, and it kind of was that same thing, like her brain, where she cleaned something and then she was like, oh, I actually need to start this load of laundry, and then went to go start it and something else came up. And that's totally sometimes my brain. Also right there, I definitely woke up Waverly when I hit the little door stopper with Trajan's boots, and I was like, dang it. She was sleeping for quite a while, so I was like, it's okay. But I also wanted to share that I left my husband's camel right underneath the island too with these stools, because he was going to be using it tomorrow. But then once I woke up Waverly, I went ahead and I started cleaning up everything that goes into her room. So you're going to see I had a big pile, and I just slowly was getting that into her room, put away. And in the middle, I ended up having to stop for a minute. I can't remember what I stopped, but Waverly was needing something. So I stopped for a minute, helped her, and then I got back to cleaning. So that's just how it goes.
And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep.
I didn't have too many dishes on this day because we did eat dinner the day before, and I had tidied up before we had left to go to the Boo to the Zoo. So I just was kind of tidying stuff up, and then she got this glow stick and she really wanted me to open it, and here she was getting mad because I couldn't open it because it was a glow stick. And then I think she finally got over it. But I didn't have that many dishes because I tidied up, so I went ahead and hand washed the dishes that I needed to, and then loaded up the dishwasher, and it was pretty full. So I also got that started and got the sink clean and just got that area of the kitchen nice and clean so I could move on into a different area.
Just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
Strainer was so full that I couldn't fit it into the dishwasher, so I went ahead and just hand washed it, which wasn't a big deal. I then was going to clean the sink. And are you the type of person that always cleans their sink as soon as like you empty out the dishes and all of that, or do you kind of just like wait until it gets to be pretty messy? I usually always clean it after I like empty out the dishes, do the dishes, just because I feel like it gets really gross and I feel like it can stink if like you're not cleaning it regularly. That's just me personally. I usually always like to every once in a while add essential oils down the drain too, because then whenever you walk by it smells good, and then when you put water down the drain too, like when you run the water, it also smells really good. So I always like to do that, but you'll have to let me know, do you clean your sink as soon as like you empty the sink, or do you just kind of like let it be until it gets to be gross? Now I'm going ahead and cleaning off this table, and like I said, I'm going to be leaving my husband's binoculars and his spotting scope, but I'm going to be cleaning up everything else, my laptop, Waverly spray bottle, and then I'm going to be cleaning up her crayons so that crayon box will go away. So it looked like there was quite a bit just like piled on there, but it didn't take much to take it all away and clean it up.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and move on into the living room, straighten up the pillows, put that blanket onto my bed where it belongs, and then also just add the rest of the blankets to this couch. And then I also needed to quickly fold some laundry. I didn't have that much, so I'm just going to go ahead, fold it, and then put that away and straighten those pillows.
Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless.
Moving on to the TV stand, I needed to put the new pack of diapers into the little basket and then clean up all of the gross diapers and get those put away. And then I'm going to move on into cleaning up all of Waverly's crayons and then put away a puzzle and just slowly clean up her little area. And you're going to see she's obsessed with her little stuffed animals, so if you touch them and go to put them in her room, she freaks. So you're going to see this is just real life with being a mom. I cleaned them up and she freaked, so we ended up bringing them back out to the living room, and I could have edited that out, but you know, I was like, that's just real life and this is a realistic clean with me. So there you go. That's what happened, and it's okay. It's just how it goes sometimes. So now that I have all the main areas clean, I'm going ahead and just putting those dishes away that I just dried, so that way I can just have the house all nice and refreshed. And then I'm going ahead and just vacuuming the floors today. I wasn't doing anything crazy. I wasn't like mopping. I just wanted to kind of just tidy up the house. This was a Friday. As you can tell, I didn't really get ready for the day. I was just kind of taking it easy, so I just wanted to have things tidied up and clean, so that way it wasn't like clutter everywhere, and I just feel like I'm way happier when my house is clean. So I'm just doing a quick little tidy up of all of the floors and getting them vacuumed. And I will say, since I've deep cleaned this vacuum, it works so much better. So if you haven't cleaned your vacuum in a while, clean your vacuum. You will see such a difference in the way it performs.
Everyone says that I should get going, start running, but how am I supposed to run when I'm falling? When I'm falling, I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand, I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head, 'cause you're trouble, yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to tidy up the living room again, vacuum up these floors, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for hanging out with me and being here. I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation and you like this style of realistic cleaning. And if you're cleaning along with me, I hope you're able to get something accomplished. If you weren't able to get your task done, go ahead, put on another video, and still continue cleaning. You will feel so much better when you finish that task that you've been working on. But I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my future videos. And I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye, you guys.